We'll start a new video of factory simulation. Here we'll take a scene. Today we'll automate the automated warehouse scene. This is the warehouse. It will take up some boxes and place it in the storage position. Okay, for that automation we need Simatic Manager software to write the programming, and we'll need a PLC simulator, S7 PlcSim simulator for simulation, and this program will communicate with the driver of PLC simulator, PLC sim. We have to connect it. The connection is okay because already we have run the simulation. It is in the run position. Okay, so then here we start the simulation. We will have to start it from the electrical board. Close. We have to see as it is started or not. Yes, the simulation has been started. We'll see how it works. There's two conveyor basically. One is the entry conveyor, another is the load conveyor. When the pallet receives at the load point, the grabber will take up the pallet, and it will place it up in the storage. We'll see. It will start to move on. It will go to the number 1 position because all of the storage position is empty now. So it will place up the materials. Okay, it will place it up over there. The fork will get down. It will came back to the middle position. It came back to the middle position, and it will go back to the home position to receive another. If we see from the camera position number 2, we can see how it is working. There is a sensor which senses that there is a pallet at the load position. It senses the fork is coming out. It will take up, to lift up the pallet. It will take it back the pallet into the middle of the grabber. It will get down or may not get down. It will take it up. We'll see. Now it is coming to the position number 2. It will lift up. It will send it the storage position number 2 to get down. The fork will be back to the middle position. From the right to middle position, it will go back the whole crane to the home position. Again we'll see. Fork will come. Fork will move to the left position as it will lift up. It will lift up. It will take the pallet into the middle of the grabber. It will start to move on. To the position number 3. This various camera position you can see. Various camera position. For this whole automation, we needed to program or configure it by S7 graph. On the later part of this, we'll discuss about how the program is done. Here we can show you some what the inputs and the outputs was required in this software. The material, the pallet should be at entry, pallet at load. The fork is at the left, fork is in the middle, fork is at the right. The movement of the crane, there is a 2-dimensional movement, X movement and Z movement. All we will discuss in the later portion of this video.